USDJPY 1-day chart and the 4-hour chart price analysis and trade setup. Of course, I've already given that very alert on the Telegram channel that a potential trade is going to come in very soon once I see a breakout from a specific area I am expecting. And that is why this video is very important, especially if you want to take that very trade on the Telegram channel right here. Pay attention. And as we wait for that very setup to really reach confirmation. So if you look at the 1-day chart here, it is covered that the market has been moving upward. Okay, we see a breakout here that created this very gap. So after this very gap, you see the market begin to move upward, retracement slightly into the gap, and then market begin to move upward. Personally, I believe that this very point where the market is right now, we're going to have significant retracement to the downside. And we're going to take advantage of this significant retracement on the 1-day chart and take a trade on the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour chart coming back to the downside. And that is what I want to show you in this very video. So if you look at this very point, critically discover that market moved upward, come back down for retracement, moved upward, and right now retracement should come into this very point, in my opinion. So I am expecting retracing from this very area. And if you look at this very point where the market is retracing from in the past, it is covered that this is a very strong area that market rejected or moved down from in the past. Look at it at this very point. Market moved from this very area all the way to the downside. So from here, market moved down, retrace, moved down. Okay, and then we begin to see the market move into the same area again. What do you expect? The possible expectation is very simple from price data. From here, expect the market to come back down at least into this very area where we see this very gap. And that is what I am now looking at from now moving forward on USDJPY price action. And that is why I am expecting the market to come back down, but I am waiting for confirmation candles and entry on this very area right here. So if I switch back to the 4 hours chart to give you a broader look into what I am looking at right now, is at this very point. I am looking at the market on the 4 hours chart to move upward, because if you look at this very week of trading, it is covered that from this very area, which was on Monday where the market opened, to this very point where the market is right now, considering these two areas from here to this very point, it is covered that the market did not really move up or down. We can also make an argument and say that market is just trading within this very range right here. Market is trading within this very range. So market did not really make significant move downward or upward. This is where we saw significant move upward last week or last 2 weeks, and then we see another significant move upward from here previous weeks, and market correct and then continuation. So from this point where the market is right now, we can't see that market really move up or down this very week. That is why I am waiting for this market to push upward a little bit, and afterward I am going to take a sell position. This is going to be a sell position, guys. That is what I'm expecting right now. So I'm expecting market to push into this very area. This point is a key point I am expecting market to touch or close to this very area to take a sell opportunity to the upside. So this is how this very trade is going to look like. A trade opportunity is going to come in from this very point right here, and then my stop loss is going to be within this very area, slightly above this very point, because market have respected this area. We have the first time here, second time here, third time here, and then the fourth time here. Once I begin to see rejection from this very point, then I'm going to be very sure that this very trade is ready to take. So from here, this is my entry area, my stop loss at this very point, and of course my take profit target is going to be around this very area. I am looking at 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So this is how this trade is going to look like, guys. This is a very important trade that you must pay attention to, and you can take it once I give that signal on the signal group, this group right here. So If you've not joined this group, link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. It is a free group. Join right now. And this is what you need to pay attention to. So this is how this trade setup look like. So what we are waiting for right now to take this trade is for the market to move into this area, and then we should see market rejection. That is the trigger. Once I monitor the market and market move into this area, maybe before the end of today or early next week of trading, market rejection from this area is a good sign that the market is going to begin to ride into this very area, in my opinion. So what that also means is that if this did not play out and market move into this area, break out of this very point, I am not going to take this trade, not at all. This is what you need to pay attention to. So this is what I am now looking at. This very trade is a sweet trade to take if you look at it with a good risk reward ratio right at this very point. This is what you need to pay attention to. Good setup. If you want to take the trade, join the Telegram group right now, link in the description. If you gain value from this very video, consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. If you want to watch my other videos on the channel, check this video out. It's going to help you a lot, and check this video out as well. It's going to help you too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.